All right, we're about to go live on every platform. Looks like YouTube went first. What's up, everybody? We are live. We're live on TikTok. We're live on YouTube. Again, this is YOLO Hour. We do it every trading day, or at least every trade. Actually, I'm going to be, I could be on vacation on Thursday. Depends on if my kid's sick, but YOLO Hour. You can and will lose money, first and foremost. Two, it is not financial advice, and we do the exact opposite of what you should do to trade really any stock. We just YOLO into stocks, and we just give them that nice green rocket ride and see how much we can get. See if we can earn some beer and pizza money. It is legal. That's good to know. But it is not the way that you should be trading anything. It is just for fun. It's like pulling the slot machine. That's about all it is. And we like to call it the casino. So I'd like to welcome everybody on TikTok and on YouTube. So with that being said, you are looking live right now at so yesterday, apparently the banks were closed. The markets were not. The banks were. And the SEC was closed. So we had no trades come in. And then with the market being down the last couple of days on Friday and Monday, when the executives and the insiders have to report, it is very, very, in fact, almost non-existent. So with that being said, that is what's going on. You can see my options were up on Friday. They are down today. They were down yesterday too. So let's just jump right in. OSPN grinding up one span. We know them well. We've seen them pump before. We'll continue to move down here just to see what kind of, in fact, really quickly, let's see what kind of market we're looking at. Directly sideways, NASDAQ is up slightly, Dow's down slightly, and S&P is down slightly as well. So it looks like we should have a lot going sideways. Looks like SDP wants to run. Oh! Superior Drilling Products, oil field management services. They look like they could turn. So we're going to continue to watch them to follow them. They're up at the top of what I like to call the cap stack. Doesn't really mean anything on Robinhood. We do use Robinhood, so this is your first time. We do use Robinhood. We use Robinhood just to find the rockets, and then we trade them on a Webull right there. So in fact, I need to reset this from Monday and make sure we can rock and roll. That would be ready to rock and roll. And when we do spot the rockets, and we're off. AVNS grinder. We have another grinder. Love to see it. It's only up 1% though. We'll continue to move down here pretty quickly. All right, here we go. GLYC is pumping. GLYC. It looks like we're on the front end of this thing. I don't want to get down too much, but I do like it. So I'm not going to go balls deep here, but I am going to go deep. 25 shares. 25 shares for the rocket. Let's see. I don't see a lot of volume except on this last. And I don't even know if we're going to get a good fill here. That's the thing with the slippage. Robinhood has massive slippage, as we all know. But Webull, sometimes we get really good fills. So I'm not going to disparage them. I actually like them. AVNS Medical, we've checked now twice because it looks like it wants to run. Does not. LVT grinder up. It's up to 1%, just went positive. We got ZEV, another grinder. Lightning Motors up 7%, continue to grind. Now that may sell off. Now I think, or it might pump. So ZEV, take a little piece of it really quickly, just because I think that it would probably pump. All right, there's our fill in GLYC. We are even right now. We need the nice green candle. We need the parabolic. We need the nice green morning wood, as we like to say. Need that straight up and down 2x4. Yeah, I got it. That's just kind of the way I describe it sometimes. All right, moving through here. MCHX looks like it has grinded up, keeping gains, looking good. MTL looks like it wants to run at some point. CRMT may run at one point. ATCX tried to run and got turned down at the tower. Did not clear the tower. When we talk about clearing the tower, what we mean by clearing the tower is it's got to get to the intraday high. If If it has not cleared the intraday high, it is not a rocket, because 9 times out of 10 it will be turned back. For you crypto folks out there joining us as well, if you're on the channel, here we go. Coinbase came out today and said they are starting their own NFT marketplace. Should be online very, very soon. So they will be competing with the OpenSea. They will be competing with FTX. It's going to be awesome. So I'm going to have a lot of places to buy these NFTs. And we do really need more, because it's getting a little bit crazy how much OpenSea had done. Although I think it's dying down a little bit. Clearly, I'm not. I own a couple of NFTs, no Bored Apes Club or anything like that, or Bored Apes Yacht Club, but I got some deals in there. I didn't look for the floor. Where you make your mistake on those things is looking at the floor, because everybody wants the one that's on the floor, right? Just go a little bit more up, and you should get those. Look at the grind on NMG, up 10%, still grinding up hard. NMG, if you're not in NMG, you might want to look at that real quick. Not sure how IWM is turned over. NRXP looks like it's still 42% and still grinding up. It has done it's done a pivot, that's its first pivot. Well, it did a pivot down here just over lunch. I'm not sure what this is going to do. So this thing was a $7 stock, and now it's a $9.50 stock. Just if you wanted to know kind of where that came from. I did not see that. Well, did I see that? I don't think I saw that in pre-market. So just so y'all know, BGI, what's up? What's up? We're in BGI now. We're moving into BGI. It is on a rocket ride, and we're going to join it. YOLO! Here we go. 50 on the rocket ride. It doesn't look like it's got a lot of volume, though. That's the thing. Where has the volume gone, people? It was grinding all day. Looks like it just went positive, really. Yeah, it did just go positive. So we're in BGI now. On the P&L, we have 3 stocks. None. DATS going parabolic. Here we go. We know DATS will rock and roll. DATS is a hella stock. We will go big and do the hell, because we've seen the FOMO. We've seen the FOMO. We've experienced the FOMO of DATS. It is real. And nice green candles, almost straight up. We're still moving. Dat chat is in the house now, in the portfolio, in the P&L, as we like to say as well. And going parabolic. Nice to see it. We spotted that one fairly quickly. That was, so I don't, probably could have been about 2 or 3 minutes earlier, and we might have got a little bit more alpha there, but we'll see. See if we can beat the market with that bad boy. And TNXP, we mentioned that one, it's moving up. MMXP is grinding still. NMG up 10%, still grinding. Looking at, I see a few sell-offs. I see more grinders, though, which is good. There's the NRXP. ANIX tried to pump. Got to about 3.39% and pulled back. Did the pivot and the pullback. What we'd like to say. Look at AEHR wants to run. It's got to clear. Not only does it need to get positive or green, it needs to clear the tower after that too. So AFIB. Oh. Where did that go? At at 1:30 my time, it went up 5% in 15 minutes. That'd have been a nice one to have. That may still run. So something big just happened in AFIB as we move through here very quickly. Now to get to the bottom of the capital stack, if you would, looking through here, seeing what we see. TNXP, we've gone through it. Yeah, we're still seeing some grinders, which, again, a lot of sideways movement in the macro. The micro, I'm not seeing that, man. Am I going to take this again? God, that just looks like it wants to run. You know what? AFIB's done it before. AFIB, we'll take a small. We're not going balls deep. We're just going to take 10 shares here. Trade that. Dad's turned around on me. You mofo. What are you doing? Now we've gone down 8. What are we doing here, people? We need I'm gonna have to cut my losses, boys and girls. DATS, we just jumped to another 2-minute candle. Continues to fall. If it falls one more, well, now we're going green. Give me some of that. Give it to me. Make it back up. Come on. I'm gonna hold there because I think I can make it up on. So because we're just starting the session, we're just 8 minutes in, right? So clearly I can make that up. Kind of like Vegas double up to catch up. So that's why we like to call it the YOLO hour. Like it's literally like going to Vegas. Except we do it every day. There was one we missed. That's the ANIX, the one we're in. It looks like it's going to do a pivot and pull back as well. We'll see where that fill we get there. But I believe that fill, SLGG, we've seen it move before. Some of these we've seen move. That's why now that one I may go balls because that's the super lead. And I need to double up to catch up. DATS, we are looking good on that one. GLYC Zeb is no longer grinding. We're going to cut our losses there. It was a grinder anyway. We are up GLYC. Now DATS has gone back green. We are moving up. The Bulls are pulling that one out. DATS is fighting hard. So let's see what it does. We just took the Super League game. We'll see what kind of fill that we get there. But let's move. Let's keep it moving. What's up, guys? Good to see y'all here. Glad everyone's here. Joining up. Looking at my YouTube family. VISL, what do we got? Nope, directly bearish all of a sudden. Directly bearish. Looking hard here now. And seeing, again, a lot of grinders. Now, there are some BBIGs. What was up 18, it's now 15. It just directionally turned over, so watch the sell-off there. Looks like it's a start of one. So the BBIG could be selling off if you're in that VRPX, is grinder up 6% and still grinding up. Nice to see that one. That was a winner, I believe, yesterday too. Might have been a winner on Friday. I cannot recall if it was a winner in YOLO Hour. Look at HUSA wants to run. It's got to clear the tower, but it wants to run. That's a clear, nice, big. All right, here's a little trading tip. Again, not financial advice. The bigger the base, the further it goes in space. And HUSA, it's got a big base. Look at this base you got here. From literally 915. Oh, it's got to clear 230, but it wants to run. There's no doubt. And it's an energy corporation. If you know anything about this channel, we are long energy. We are long financials right now. We are long commodities. We do not believe that gold is a commodity. Gold, to me, it's a currency right now. And a very crappy one at that. So just so you know where I stand. You will learn more ETFs. DATS looks like it's now moved. It's still moving. So it's still moving up. We're up 850 now. Glad we stayed with it. One of the mistakes I make is I did not get I got a decent film SLGG, but it's not moving much, and I don't know why. It's a pretty popular stock. Dat chat, get up. Now I'm down 150. What's up? So if I get up on Dat chat again, we are going to take profits. I need to get back up there though. Had 850 right there and just could not hold it. Damn it. All right. Continue to move through. CIO, which we saw pump yesterday, grinding up to, well, it's only up 1.5% today, but it looks like it's continuing to grind up. Again, sideways grinders, and then I mean, gosh, you can just see the winners and the losers today. TNXP, definitely a winner. I'm going to move through very quick. I'm going to make your eyes bleed, so watch out. AFIB, has it turned up again? Damn it, nope. So I think we need to get out of AFIB. We're still up. No, we're still up in that. I gotta hold. All right, Dat chat. Oh, go up. Just go up. Should I loosen? I'm at 50 shares. Is why this is swinging so much. Let me close out 20 shares on the Dat chat, and hopefully we'll get. Damn it! I got a bad film. I'm down 3 there, and I just closed out 20 shares. So 30 shares now. I had to cut the positions, just not making me that much money. It looks on this chart here, yeah, it's definitely pulled back. Damn it. So I'm in less of a vulnerable position, but still, the P&L is not looking good. I think we're down $4 now total today. We're going to move here very, very quickly because I have yet to hit the bottom. If this is your first time here, this is Teal PLAG. Let's go. Planet Green Holdings. Oh, it topped out, bro. That was a good one though. So at 2 o'clock it went from 4 to it got a good percentage. Let's continue to watch that one because that thing actually might. How much volume do we have? God, the average its volume day is way low. That should pump. Plag. I'm gonna put Plag on my P&L though. I'm gonna add just like 5 shares here, just so I've got it and I can watch it. Again, this is the way that you would trade. Dad chat went back to even. AFIB, don't know what's going on here. It is pulled back. We saw it. Let me just dump it. Glad I didn't go balls deep. SLGG, just kind of hanging in there with that one. Did take Planet Green Holdings. As long as it goes sideways, we'll be okay. But I'm thinking that it might turn up with all the volume. Typically, with all the volume that is typical of that stock, we should see the FOMO in. But again, it's just God, it's like a dog day. SENS wants to run. Here we go. SENS again, another one that we see run a lot. This is exactly why I paper trade, because all the losses I cannot write off. So, all right, let's see what SENS can get us. I went balls deep and now in 50 shares. It's got a good grind. It looks like it's going to turn it into a rocket. I think we're getting in on the front end, and that's what we do. Moving through here very quickly, making your eyes bleed a teal. Good to have you here, brother. And we have yet to hit the bottom, so I have not yet caught all the rockets, although IMV is our rocket. Not one that we see very often though, but it has been up there before. I want to say it's been a meme stock. I'm not going to go balls deep in it too. DATS is completely turned off on me. What is up? Isn't it full? Has it fallen off a cliff? It has not. The bulls are still fighting. I'm down 7. It looks like it's got some bad juju in there. Come on, brother, fight. I need you to move up. I don't need to fall off a cliff here. There it goes. There it goes. 330. We're gonna let the bulls fight it out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Teal. I see you. Cheers to you, my brother. All right, we are REE grinding up 5%. That's one I hadn't seen in a while. Grinding up REE. Wow, that's a stock. Something's got to be going on in that stock. I don't know what, but there's a catalyst behind that for sure. One that I did not see in pre-market, and I have not seen today. Although I haven't been around, been in meetings most of the day. Then I had a long lunch, if you know what I mean. All right, just because the market wasn't doing much. All right, so REKR record up 6% grinding. That's a good grinder. XERS is grinding only up 3% though. On the view is holding gains. AMTX looks like it may want to run, but it's got to clear the tower first. Looking for VRPX still grinding. I want to say it was grinding yesterday or Friday. I think I've said that before. PRVA is turning over, guys. Directionally bearish now. ASTR is doing the same thing. What are the markets doing? Because I can tell you, it looks like we are in a little bit of a sell-off. It certainly could be the start of one. And what is my P&L looking like? BGI, Dad Chat, it's just not going to, man, this thing's killing me. I can't babysit you, brah. Come on now. SENS with the wrong way. Going to let it run a little bit longer though. See where we get. Let's go. Going to make the eyes bleed a little bit. Going to work through here pretty quickly to know what stocks are pumping. RKT. Woo! Somebody called this out on TikTok yesterday after we finished YOLO. I like this actually. RKT. I think that could turn into an absolute. I just put the wrong RKT. Yeah, as in rocket companies. We're gonna buy it. We're gonna go not too big, but big enough to make a difference if it wants to rocket. So RKT. It's in a little bit of a pullback right now. Let's get the eyes bleeding here as we move down to the bottom, and then we'll work our way back up from the bottom to the top and see if we can't find some more rockets here. Looking at Teal, do you see anything at all? Because I am moving through here fairly quickly, spotting just kind of getting into a sad day, man. I'm not seeing we saw an S ton of rockets yesterday. Today, just not. The LFMD's grinding up 10%. We've seen LFMD OCGN up 19%. Looks like it could be turning over there. I don't think it is. I just think it's going directly sideways, but it's holding gains, which is nice to see. I don't think it's turning over just yet. ARK is now turning over the ARK ETFs. Everybody needs them positive. That means the IWM or the Russell is probably positive if ARK is. So, oh, what a day it may be today. It's going to be a grind today. This is a gaming company here. It looks like it's done the pivot and the pullback. Looking for those. What we got about? No, we're just 20 minutes into the session. But by this time yesterday, we had seen 4 or 5 rockets. Let me look at the P&L real quick, see how far we are down. SENS has just not done it for us, and I don't know why. This thing, typically when it wants to run, it'll run. But today, it just did not run very far. It's trying to grind up. Rocket just went in the Burks group. We saw the Burks group last week, too. It did a bit of a pump, so not real sure what they do. I think I know what they do, but not confident enough to say on the YOLO Hour, which is where you are right now, as we try to figure out what is going to run and what FOMO we can attach ourselves to find a little bit of alpha in the market today. SLGG looks like it's going directly sideways now. Are we still in that one? Yeah, it's down 1. Dang it! And I went balls deep in that one too. Now if it goes off again, we'll jump back in. That is the plan. AFIB again cannot figure out which way it wants to go. We even still in no, we're not. It needs to figure out who it is today, because right now, it's just spinning its own wheels. NRXP, it did a pullback. We're at 42. Now it's at 45. So still grinding higher as people continue to jump into that stock, even in the last hour. But watch for the sell-off. NMG grinding higher at 11% up. Love to see it. What else? Oh, IMV. Oh, we're in IMV. And IMV is we did not get a great fill. BGI is working for us. It's taking off those losses. Let me look at this BGIG. It is taking off the losses. We're going to continue to hold on to that one as well. PM, what's up? IPI, what? I'll just jump in here with IPI because you have proven yourself. PI, let's go. Where did you find this stock at? It looks like it's more of a grinder. Let me look at something real quick. IPI. Let me look at yeah, it's pulled back. Let me look at RD. I think we saw RDW. I thought it pulled back too. Dang. Oh no. RDW is a good one. RDW is a good one. RDW. That sucker, it looks like it wants to really kick some ass here. Can it? It's got a green candle. I'm gonna see if I can jump in there and make a little money real quick. RDW. It's done a pivot and a slight pullback, but that's the same candle. So looking at that, see what kind of fill we get. We are Yeah, I cannot endorse SENS anymore. Got to get out of that one. And Rocket Companies with, good God, we just had the freaking down. We got to get out of that one. Thank you very much for playing. RDW just went the wrong way too. Damn it. Got a very, very bad fill on that one due to the pivot and the pullback. We're going to stick with it. We're down 4 now. We're down 9 for the day. BGI, just hanging. You know, I'm going to take profits there. I need profits. I need to get back and take those profits. We'll jump it down. Our RDW is back to 0. There we go. There we go. That's what we want to see. Now we might actually, RDW, I might actually add here. Well, I'm at 50 now. So I need to see a green candle on the 2 minute, and then we'll jump back in with some more shares. Maybe go further than balls deep, which I don't know how much further you can really go. But we would add shares. Let's just say that. You know, just another term to add shares. ATCX, are we going off? Nope, we're not going off. SGBX, let's look. SGBX. Did we have that one before? It's jumped up there. I'm going to buy 10. I'm going to trust you there. Let me look on SGBX real quick. SGBX. Oh, yeah. Now, the thing about it, low volume. But we got PM's got the NMG. Now, NMG, it's been going off all day. Yeah, just grind. Oh, there it goes. Nice. Good catch. NMG. We'll catch that little lip if we can get in there now. Boom. Now let's see what we can do. RDW just went the wrong way, guys. Damn it. Went the very, very wrong way. Completely did a pivot and pullback. It's down 750. I'm down 13 now because I went 2 balls deep in this one. It's got a green candle now with the wick pointing down, which means it's going up. So I should make up some. Except 4, now it's just down 4 instead of 7. I'm making it back up, but it's still a red candle. Push up. Now just go green. Looking at RDW, NMG. What do they do? Graphite. Very nice. I bet that's is that what I think it is? Is that a mineral stock? I don't know. It's graphite. I have no idea what they make. AMBA's grinding up 1%. It's gone positive now, so you gotta love that. CCJ, it's been a popular stock like 3 months ago. It's grinding up finally again. Cavill, what's going on with the FCUV? It's up 8%, but it's losing itself, trying to keep its gains. NCNO up, ASTS grinding, UROY, I got a UROY sighting. Here we go, uranium royalties. Nice grind, very nice grind. It's cleared the tower, just needs to go a little bit more parabolic, or yeah, a lot more parabolic. It's a slight pullback, but it could turn and run though, for sure. No doubt. So, and it's got the serious volume today, good Lord. Got some serious volume. All right, well, where am I getting stuck at? RDW, I just went down candle. Damn it. Let me close it. I got to run for it. It's got 3 red candles. Anytime you see 3 red candles, I don't care what chart you're on, you got to get out. All right. Yes, Euro is ridiculous right now, which might actually turn into a rocket because when people see it, it's got 2 red candles though on the 2 minute. Oh, I need that thing. Now it is moving up. It's got a little bit of a wick there. Come on, it's got to make a decision here. I'm going to jump in for 10 shares right now, but I'm going to add 2 that I think that's probably the play there. Hopefully it doesn't go into sell-off mode, just fall off a cliff here. GLYC, glad we got out of that one. It's just going directly sideways, and which it doesn't look like that on the Robinhood, but on the little side charts. But that's what happened. So We continue to move up. Let's do what we came here to do. Let's chase these rockets. Want to be a rocket man? RXST. We got volume. We don't. That will just sit there. That will absolutely just sit there and not go anywhere, even though it's ballistic. SNPX is moving. Let's look at it. SNPX. I think I saw this one this was yesterday. Oh yeah, it's got a clear tower. But here's what I also learned. PM and a teal. So look. So from where it starts down, that's a base. So the bigger the base, even this works on intraday too. The bigger the base on the intraday, the higher that it could go in space. So AFIB, we were in AFIB. Let me check because it did a head fake with us. Yep, there it goes. Let's jump in again. AFIB. Let me get screwed again, and I want to go balls deep because it looks like it's going to run. So let's see what it can do. Give me a good fill here. I'm feeling pretty good, even though I'm down 16. I saw the Oklahoma-Texas game, and they were down 21 and felt pretty good about themselves. I don't know how you can do it, but now I kind of feel that way. Like, I'm down 21, but I'm playing really, really well. I'm just not scoring. AMBA grinding, and that could turn into a rocket very quickly. AVTX could turn into a rocket. It is, in fact, it's clear the tower. I think AVTX is one that we're gonna bang that one out. That might be AVTB might be one we want to at least have a position in. Not losing anything, but I'm not really gaining anything. Euro is straight up uranium. It does have that green candle though, because I'm up that big 5 cents. GLYC is just grinding. AFIB we just got the fill. So hopefully it continues to grind up, and we will continue. Hopefully your eyes don't bleed here. I just yawned again. My kid got up last night. Literally got up. We just got him a new bed. Gets up out of the new bed like a week ago, right? Last night gets up out of the bed to go pee and sees the ambulance going down the street. So he thought that was news. So he wanted to walk in our room and wake up mom and dad. So if you got kids, you understand. If you don't have kids, you will. Next up is, we're moving there pretty quickly now. My eyes are just bloodshot as I move so fast. What was that one? CYTK has not cleared the tower, but it is grinding. ABVC, you watched the Monday Night. Oh, I did watch. Oh no, I did not watch. I don't watch a lot of pros. I'm a big college guy. I don't watch a lot of pros. One, I don't have the time. I just do a lot on Sunday. Do a little bit with the church. I take the kid to the playground. Just Sunday. I try to take off. Now I do record some on Sundays, but I don't watch a lot of pros. So I just don't. I do watch the Cowboys when they are on, and if they're having a winning season, I will. So, but that's been few and far between. I know a lot of people that hate the Cowboys. I can tell you why. Because so much promise in the beginning of the season, and then just never the follow through, never the execution. Over 16 games, right? It's been that way for like 20 freaking years. So, color me biased, but I am, and that's why, right? The reason why they're stereotypes, I think you can figure out the rest of that sentence, right? Not all people, All right, here we go. Gosh, AFIB. I thought it was gonna run. What's the P&L look like? We're getting pumped. Well, I'm not getting pummeled. I'm getting pummeled on the P&L for sure. IMV is just going the wrong way. I cannot. Probably should have closed that one out a long time ago, but just 10 shares. It wasn't a killer. Now NMG is I'm not sure what it's doing. And uranium. Oh, it's got that could go real. There's a green candle. That could go. Well, we got to stay in that one. IMV. it just keeps great. AFIB is now with the green count. So if it can clear this, we may see it go parabolic. So we're back to 15. AFIB, there it goes, just like we thought it would. That's why we stayed in at TOMZ. Let's go. Never heard of that stock. So if anybody knows about that stock, let me know about TOMZ, because never heard about it. Don't even know what the freak they do. It is on. It was on a rocket ride. Looks like it's pulled back. Let me get TOMZ or just real quick. Let me get another perspective here. Whoa, do we not? Oh, to TMZ. Let's go. Environmental services. Oh, it wants to run. There is no doubt, because it's already pumped. So at 2, man, it went 3% up real quick. Pulled back. You know what? That's not a bad bet right there. We're going to buy. I'm going to actually go balls deep there. That's not a bad buy. I've got to get rid of these ones that are not going my way. IMB, get off my P&L. I got to clear some room. Uranium, I'm just saying it goes sideways. Euro is going sideways. Taking that one out. It was just 10 shares. So that is not, I didn't have to take that one out. But AFIB is a big winner right now. We're going to let that one run, bring us back down to SGBX just wants to hang out. Not seeing a lot of movement there. TOMI just went straight down. Did we just get a fill on that? Did we get a fill on TOMI? Hopefully that did not fill. Hopefully it didn't fill. APDN, let's go. APDN. Boy, it wants to run. NMG is just not having it right now, and I'm too deep in that one. What do you got? SA. Let me look at that one. SA, little C bridge. Yeah, I like a little C bridge myself. Actually, I went bigger than I wanted to go there. NMG needs to get off my. AFIB is printing right now. Just keep it printing. And what'd you say? SA. Did I do APDN? I don't know if I did. It's definitely gonna move. Wow. Well, look, that's some serious movement. Did we get a fill in APDN? I don't know if I got APDN. Buy. I'm going balls deep in that one too, because I like it so much. NMG, get off of my. Why is it still here? Why are you still here? GOYC's not hurting me. Octus got another green candle started. That's nice. Did I not sell this bad boy? NMG. There it goes. So IMV now is my only one that's left. I think I've gotten out of it. I'm still down 13. Need to move here. All right, let's go find some more rockets very quickly. PM finding them all. NRXP. Let's see what we got here. The pharmaceuticals. Yes. Buy. That's why we call it YOLO. Guess what I did? Yeah. You gonna hear me right. I went balls deep again. APDN. Ah, no. We got a bad fill, and if it can go green here, it'd be a good fill. IMV. Why aren't you out of my close, and close? All right, so we are APDN is. I'm gonna hold on to it. I need to find some rockets though. I mean, some serious, real. Let me get there really quickly. See if I want to find anything on here that I see. ABVC turned back. Merck. Yeah, NRXP with ATIF. You got Merck, MERC, Mercer International. Yeah, it's turning up. It's got to clear the tower though. Well, it's got to go positive as well. But you could probably make I didn't see how much it was down, but it might be, you might get 30% out of that before it even goes positive. So, can't take that chance right now. I need to find some rockets here. What is the overall market? What's macro doing? So it's just sideways. Literally, that is the definition of sideways. If you ever see a chart like that, just call it what it is, sideways. Directionally sideways. AFIB still printing. Love to see it. I had to click on it. We're up 650. We're up 11 on NRXP. I'm almost back to positive. Why can I not get out of IMV? Close the order, please. Thank you. APDN moving. All right. Now we're looking good. NRXP up 10. May take some profits here. I see a red candle. I want to sustain the $10 that we got in that one. Tom Z, I'm out. Big red candle down, and I was balls deep in that one too. I might come back to AFIB is still printing, and I'm down. I am now positive. I have now hit positive. APDN, thank you very much. Thank you very much, PM. Very, very good call. What else you got cooking today? ACHL. Why does that sound familiar? A lot of biotechs. Biotechs are pushing here. Let's push with them. Let's see if we can get a good fill. IMV, get off my P&L. Tom Z, get off my P&L. AFIB looks like it's pulled back a little bit here. ACHL, we just got a phenomenal fill. We're up $4. So I'm going to clear out the ones that are on the bubble now that I do not need. This one is not going anywhere. So I believe I've got most of the, oh man, ACHL just pulled back on the wick. Now I'm down 4. AFIB still printing. AP, this is going to tell right here. ACHL. ACHL, brother, come on. AFB, maybe running out of gas here. APD, I'm down 4 now. Oh yeah, that's a big candle. Got to get out. That's my should take in the profit, man. It never fails. AFIB slowing down, guys. I'm gonna take profits there. I've got to take profits. I'm gonna lock it. I'm down 2 now. And ACHL should. Oh, the wick just went completely up and the candle went down. Damn it. I need that one to print. Come on. All right. Got to move through here again. Let's find those rockets today. PM's find them all. We just found that one. We're having to move in and out of the P&L and of the Robinhood to find the rockets. NRXP, is it? No, I thought it turned. MMX. We saw it yesterday move. Boy, that's a close one. I don't have a problem with it actually though. I think it ran on Fridays. When I'm not going to go balls deep in that one just yet. Let me see where I need to add here. Let's see the C bridge. The IMV, which is not. Oh, I'm short as one. Let me get out of that. So, all right, got to get out. All right, so IMV's taking care of ACHL. Come on, brother, print something right here for me. You're going the wrong way, playa. ACHL. C bridge is up 1. Looks like it's got a down candle started though. I've got the fill at 17.13. And we got a can on ACHL. I'm down 20 cents. I could go positive here. Let's find a little bit more. AGMH looks like it's rocket per the PM. AGMH. Let me get that right. AGMH. I don't know. Is that really AG? I can't tell on the AGMH. Can't tell. What's the volume on that one? It looks like it wants to run though. AGMH. I'll take. I've got. We're gonna buy. No, 50. I went a little bit balls deep in that one, just to double up the catch up there. Plus, I think it at least get a good green candle. But it's all about the fill here. Now we are up. So if C-Bridge can print, and if ACHL can give me a little bit more here, look at that beautiful chart in the ACHL. Nice one. Cost is about to clear. We got about to clear the tower. Love. Oh, it did clear the tower. What's up? And cost, people love the cost. I don't know why, but they do. That thing is straight up. Come on, baby, move. Come on. Boy, the Bulls and Bears are fighting that one out. What was that one? It was literally directionally sideways, gets a bump at 2, and now wants to run. So we need to get above 10%, get to 8. Wow, that's a good fight right there. That's a good fight. That's what you want to see right there. The 2-minute chart. Give me the 3. The 3 is a fully erect, going parabolic, and then you got the 2-minute, which you know they're just fighting it out in. 31 down. I'm 31 down in cost, just like that, with the 100 shares. Now, can it fight back here? Let me go back. This is getting very exciting. I need 9%. It's at 8.14%. There's 8.8. Oh, there's 7. Oh, it's fighting. It's fighting hard. Go to Weeble. I got to get the 9. I got to get the 9. Give me a green. Give me a green on the 1 at least. Damn it. Did not get the green. It's still got the green on the 3, but not the 1. Not good. Come on. But it fought back, though. That gives me good costs because I'm balls deeper. That I really need to lighten that up. God, I need to close. I've got to close 80 of that. That will just destroy. That will literally destroy my entire P&L. Hopefully it clears right there. Give me 14. Give me 14 and get me out there. Get me out of 14. I'll be good. We'll be a good boy. ACH, it's got the red candle. We'll close that one. Thank you very much, ACH. You've been very, very good to me. Cost is now at 4. I'm going to actually close that one. It's going higher. It should give me a pretty good fill. I'm up 17 now. Feeling good about the 17. The SSA is going directionally bearish. So we are up $13 and got out of that. Thank you very much, PM. Very, very nice. All right, let's go. SYPR. I'm being told on the channel is going ballistic as well. It's got a nice red candle on the 2-minute, the 3-minute. It's got the red count on the 1-minute. It's got 2 candles. That might be one you want to fight. Let me look right here. Thank you for the cost. That was badass. SYPR. Love to see the fights between the Bulls and the Bears. I think SYPR has pulled back. Cano we can look at real quick. Let's see if we can get it. Cano's run on us before. So we've got a pivot point there. It's not in a pullback, but it's done a pivot. So I'm going to hold off on Cano as well. I'm going to direct the. So we are looking good on everything. What is cost doing again? I mean, I literally could jump back into cost. I love cost. So it's at 10. It's literally moving up still. It's continuing to move up. I may take a little bit position here. KOSS. I may take a 10 share position because I like the way it's moving. We're up 14. We got the pizza money. We got the beer money. I'm feeling good about this call. Now, do I get a good fill here in the cost? Cost is one of the most exciting ones. Oh, it's up 12. Damn it. I had that at 10 too. When will it fill? When will the cost fill? Cost has got to fill. Fill. I need you to fill, cost. Come on. You're moving up. Let's go. All right. Got to jump out of the cost. See what else I'm missing out here. The Cano. I wonder if it's what was that one? TSP. Nope. nope. That's true, simple too. Why is cost not filling? I need cost to fill. Missing out on cost right now. It's up 11, up 12. Got a red candle, but still up 12. Why is cost not filling? Oh, it's not gonna fill. If it fills, it's gonna be a bad fill. All right, AXDX grinder. Run through here quickly now. We are 12 minutes out from the bell. We're 12 minutes out from the closing bell. Be evaluating your positions right now. This is where, again, where if you want to take the overnight risk, and not a lot of people do, but if you do, it is that's where you move to. You got to find MMX. I thought we were in MMX. Did we not take a position? Yeah, we're in MMX. Cost didn't fill, and it's moving too. 23%, and it did not fill me. Damn it. I'm gonna get like 50 cost. No, I can't do that. That would completely fuck me up. Why is cost not filling? 23. Now I could have gone from 12 to 23 if it had filled. Webull did not fill me. I would have had what, 150 shares. It's not filling the 100 shares. The 23 on the cost. We've got to stay with cost here. Looking at costs, it's at 20. It's stuck at 23. I feel a pullback coming hard here. In fact, still not getting a good fill. All right, I'm jumping out of everything else right now, just so I can concentrate. I have to be burned with everything else. Taking some profits. This one is just going sideways anyway. Thank you, sirs. Y'all have done an invaluable service to my P&L. And cost is... You know what happened to cost? Halted. Cost has been halted. Guaranteed. Guarantee. That's why it's stuck on 23. Damn it. All right, well, that gives us... So that will take us to the... Is it a 5-minute halt or a 15-minute halt? I think it's 15 minutes now. Depends on there's so many different rules around the halts. It's just unbelievable. Is SNPX grinding? Yes, cost has been halted. So that is why we did not. Well, we should have got we should have been filled about 15%. Didn't get that fill of 10, and now I've got 100 sitting out there that's going to get filled on the backside. And let me see what I've got. It says I've got 10. But I think I've got a trade out there so as soon as it fills, the cost is going to drop. I'm just letting you know now. Tailwind. So if you're in cost, it's going to freaking fall out as soon as starting out. It may catch itself. Tailwind is an acquisition. Don't want to trade those. I've had very bad experiences with that before. Did I not get out of AGMH? Thought I did. And this one as well. Why MMX is, let's see what's going on here. It is moving. Costs stuck still. Again, we've got to wait 5 minutes at least. I tried to get out of I don't know why it's not letting me out of this one, out of AGMH. And I don't want to go short it. I mean, it's certainly not going short, but I need to get out of it. I can look at, let me look. All right, let me see what else is out there. AFI-IB is still moving. Yeah, I cut it because I can relook at AFIB. Let's look at it again. Yeah, it's AFIB is printing. What's it up? It's up at 11. I'll jump in there for a little bit more. I just had a red candle, but the candles are getting smaller on the 3-minute, even more smaller. So it's not moving very far. I got to get out of AGMH. Octus, we got a bad fill. Why is it not letting me out of? Why is it not letting me out here? Get me out. Yes, I know I'm not real trading here, bro. But I still like to fucking win. Let's go. Gotta get Octus. Let me get, what's the 3-minute looking, or sorry, the 1 minute looking like here? Okay, when that thing starts trading, it's going to be freaking ridiculous. All right, give me out of that one. I thought I hit that one twice. AFIB got me another dollar. Boy, that thing is grinding hard. Nice call there as well. You like or? I looked at Orgo. I did not see it going parabolic. Yeah, it just turns up. In our XP is the same way. I think it's just holding gains. No, that's a. All right, I want to take a chance. NRXB, XP, right? All right, we're in for 50. Let's go. All right, let me get rid of. Why is this stuff? I am very, very, very scared of cost when it goes. I got a bad fill on in our XP. I got a very bad fill. Not good. And that's a $50 stock. MMX not going sideways. Let's just clear it while I'm sitting here. I'm up 10. Cost is still not. I don't know why. Webull doesn't say it's. What is this thing doing? ATFB. I thought I cleared you. All right. AF by IB. Yeah, that is a great stock. Why? Oh, it's yeah. All right. Boy, Webull is behind, man. I'm getting some serious slippage. Really bad slippage today on Webull. This is the most slippage that we've had on Webull in a long time. Sophie's moving. It's grinding. It's only up 3. I'm not so big on that one. AGMH just moved. So AFIB's got me 3. NRXP is still moving. Let me widen out on the 2-minute. Get some bigger candles here so we can watch it. Got 4. Can I not close it? Just sell it. Cost is going to cost me so much when it comes back online. And we got 5 minutes till the closing bell, boys and girls. So whatever you're in, make sure you want to be in it for tomorrow morning or going into after hours. Typically, things tend to drop in after hours unless there's a catalyst like earnings. By the way, earnings tomorrow for JPM. We're still long FCX. Told you about Coinbase, NFT. Here's one. Emerging market QAT. We're long at 19. Price targets at 23. Price targets at 20. QAT. That's Qatar, by the way. Emerging markets is doing well if you take out China. Just letting you know. Come on. This thing is not letting me out, and I don't know why. Webull, something has gone crazy in the Webull, but whatever, because the slippage is pathetic. In our XB, thank you very much. You've done a hell of a job today. PM, we're up 20. I'm gonna get out of that one because I'm balls deep in it, and I don't want to hold at 57% up. I'll take my $8 and be happy with that. Be happy with $20 as I go into 4 minutes left. But I just know. So as soon as cost starts trading, let me know, because that is a meme stock and it will pop. But I think it's going to pop down. I really believe it is. The market is seeing big green uplift. So it was selling off. Now we have completely reversed. And now, it was a drawdown, and now we are completely got the green candle straight up. You'd love to see that. Look, it looks like the market's going parabolic. We must have had some very good news. ATA, nope, not what I'm going at. AREC. We go fast here. Yes, AREC, boom. AREC, let's go. Buy. I'm gonna balls deep in that one because I'm gonna need it for costs. The cost is still not trading. We're up 25. AFB, thank you very much. I appreciate your contribution twice today now. I went big on that. I am not big on anything else. Well, on AREC that just got in, that'll be 50 shares, fill, and it just went in, and that's an okay fill. I just need it to grow. I need this candle here going into the last 2 minutes of trading. We are up $26. Very, very good day for the Maddox man. Still continues to fly. Not looking for any more rockets. Just want to see what the market's doing overall. I hope you guys are making money today. Again, we had big green candles. The last 15-minute candle of the day. OCGN is up 17%, by the way. Palantir has gone positive. SLI, we like that stock, by the way. That is the best lithium stock that there is. SLI, just so you know, if you're listening. That's the way we run. AREC has gone the wrong way. I'm gonna close out anyway. I actually went balls deep, and it's taken off down. So we're at 24.67. Let's see, is cost even going to come back online? I think not. It was a 15-minute timeout, halted 15 minutes. AFTB, close out, for the love of God, close out. And cost, nothing more I can do. Just not. It is NRXP still moving? Yeah, I'm sure it is. I didn't want to hold for tomorrow. Not that I would, with the way I trade, but I'm up $25. So why rock the boat? I'll take the $25 because I got down what? I got down 14. Was it 14? No, 19. I got down 19. So I've had a good almost $50 turnaround here. So $45 turnaround, and it looks like we're probably in after hours right now. Let me look. CCJ is just, yeah, we're in after hours now. Not sure why. So I wonder what they're going to let cost do. Let me look at something really quick on cost. By the way, there's QAAT. Look at the RSI. It's the strength is staying strong. Why? Because it's a strong stock. QAT is the Qatar ETF. Just so you know. All right, let's look at costs here. Had a hell of a day. On the day it looks like shit, but it's sitting at 19, which brings that, and it's pushing through a lot of supply here. Just a lot of supply, a lot of market memory right here in the June-July time frame. So it is going to is it going to trade after hours though? Let me look. Let me see what they're going to do. This is something that I've never seen before. So if it trades after hours, it did not have a high short interest, which it has done that before, but it did have a very small float of 4 million, so it can be pushed like that. If you get a couple of big whales or a couple of retail investors behind that, it'll absolutely. It didn't squeeze, but it'll absolutely push. So there goes cost after hours. I'll close out. I don't know if it's gonna now it'll probably take me short. After hours, it is down 0.16%. It did get to $25, or sorry, 25%. It did get to 19.18. After hours, it's going between the red and the green, down 1, up 0.5 point. So it's fighting right now. I'm just trying to get out of it. So we're up 28 because of it until that sell goes through. With that being said, guys, it's been fun. Very, very fun. The last two YOLO hours have been extremely, extremely fun, and I think it's because we've had not just the number of rockets, but the type of rockets that we've had. Right? We had 2 yesterday that went 10%. We had Costa go 23%, now 25% in after hours. As we look at it, yeah, it's up 24.9, and still grinding, and I still can't get out of it. I don't know why. So, and I just got 10 shares, so it should not be hard. It says I'm up 31 now. So good beer and pizza money. Appreciate that. What I'll do is this. I'll just wipe it. All right, good day there. For you guys on the YouTube, I appreciate you guys very, very much. Appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place in the YOLO Hour. Appreciate you, PM. Had a great day today. Atil, thank you very much. James, thank you very much. Walker, thank you very much. Anik, thank you very much. With that being said, guys, watch your six. You go hard in the paint. We will see you tomorrow for YOLO Hour. Appreciate you.